Good morning, students. Let us understand illustration 44. This is a question which is related to past adjustments. ABC were partners in a firm on 1st April 2018. Their capital stood at 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and 2 lakhs. So, opening capital is given on 1st April. As per the provisions of the partnership deed, A was entitled to a salary of 5,000 per month. So 5,000 per month, that is 5,000 into 12, 60,000 annual salary was to be given to A. Partners were entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. And we know that interest on capital is calculated on the opening balances of capital, which is already given in the question. So 10% of 4 lakhs, that is 40,000, 10% of 3 lakhs, that is 30,000, and 10% of 2 lakhs, 20,000 will be interest on capital. Now it is given in the question that the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019, that is after 1 year, for the current year, the net profit was 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs was divided among the partners without providing for the above items. So these two provisions of partnership deed were not given effect. These two provisions were ignored, it was omitted, and without providing for the above items, the profits of rupees 3 lakhs was distributed. And since the ratio of sharing profits, that is PSR, that is profit sharing ratio, is not given, it means as per Partnership Act, it will be assumed to be equal. Showing your workings clearly, pass an adjustment entry. Single entry. They are asking for single adjustment entry to rectify the above error. And this question was asked in CBSE 2019 compartment. Now come to the working note. Before passing the adjustment entry, we must find out the effect of above errors. So table showing the adjustment to be made, or analytical table. We shall prepare 3 columns for A, B, C, and last 4th column for firm. A's debit column, A's credit column, B is debit, B is credit, C is debit, C is credit, and firm's debit, firm's credit. Now, first of all, firm will ask for since firm has distributed rupees 3 lakhs of profit in the equal ratio, and this distribution was wrong, therefore the firm will ask for reversal of those distribution. Firm will say to partners that since I have given to you the share of profits earlier which is wrongly distributed to you, therefore you must return it. So 3 lakhs was distributed in 1:1:1, that is 1 lakh each. So each partner were must be credited with rupees 1 lakh each. So now the firm is reversing, that is profits already distributed now taken back. So it is the firm is taking back, that is A's capital is debited by 1 lakh, B's capital is debited by 1 lakh, C's capital is debited by 1 lakh, and in this way A has given, B has returned its profit share, C has also returned its profit share to firm, and firm has collected an amount of rupees 3 lakhs, which is nothing but an income for the timing for the firm. So it is written in the credit column. Now this 3 lakhs will be distributed in the following manner, which is the correct distribution. So A was entitled to salary of rupees 60,000. 5,000 per month means 60,000, therefore A will be credited with rupees 60,000, and no other partner is entitled to salary, therefore no one is credited, and this 60,000 is nothing but an expense out of this 3 lakhs. So out of these 3 lakhs, 60,000 has been written in the debit column of the firm. Next, interest on capital is to be given to ABC, and the interest on capital we have already calculated 10% of their opening capital. So 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000, they are entitled to get a credit of rupees 40,000, B 30,000 credit, and C 20,000 credit. A total credit of rupees 90,000, that is a temporary expense for the firm for the time being out of this 3 lakhs. So out of 3 lakhs, the firm is distributing 60,000 as salary and 90,000 as interest on capital. Now the remaining profit, that is out of 3 lakhs, 1,50,000 has been distributed, and remaining 1,50,000, which is still in the hands of the firm, shall be distributed as profit distribution, will be distributed as a profit, as a share of profit in their profit sharing ratio. So profit of is 1,50,000, that is 3 lakhs minus 60,000 minus 90,000 will be distributed in equal ratio, that is 50,000 A will be created, 50,000 B will be created, and 50,000 C will be created. Now the firm's balances has been totaled, and now concentrate on A, B and C. First concentrate on A's capital. A is to be given a total credit of rupees 60,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000, that is 1,50,000. A must get 1,50,000, but since at the same time he is required to return rupees 1 lakh, which was a credit of profit earlier, therefore both these transactions can be summarized as 50,000 of net credit. So a net effect, the net effect of the transaction is that A is to be given 1,50,000. At the same time, A have to give rupees 1 lakh to the firm. Therefore, 50,000 firm must pay to A. So 50,000 credit. On concentrate on B, B will receive 80,000 from the firm, 30,000 plus 50,000. At the same time, B is entitled to B is responsible to obliged to pay rupees 1 lakh to the firm. So 80,000 he is required to receive, and 1 lakh he is required to pay. So in net effect of the transaction is that he must pay rupees 20,000 to the firm. Again C is to receive 70,000. At the same time, C has to give 1 lakh. So in net in effect effectively he should pay rupees 30,000 to firm. So his capital account will be debited. So 30,000 debit, 20,000 debit. C will pay 30,000, B will pay 20,000 debit. To whom? 50,000 A credit. So the entry will be B's capital account debit, his capital account will be debited by 20,000. C's capital account will be debited by 30,000, and A's capital account will be created by 50,000. So the profit, because of wrong distribution, some partner has gained and some partner has had a loss. So the partner who gained must compensate the partner who has lost his adequate share. So in this case, B is compensating A and C is compensating A. So this is the adjustment entry you are required to pass. First you have to make a working note of analytical table and summarize the transactions, the net effect of the transactions, that is errors made earlier, and you have passed a single adjusting entry for the same. So practice it at home. Please solve it again without looking at the solution. Thank you.